Ah, oof, that's hot. Hey Team Love Jesus, welcome to my kitchen. I hope you are having a wonderful day and keeping warm if you're in Canada. And today we are going, where am I laughing? Yes, so today we're going to be hanging out and making chicken wings. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have my chicken wings here. Put them. So yeah guys, what you need for your chicken wings is flour and seasoning, which I don't have yet here with me. Seasoning, here's my seasoning, salt. Okay, so we're just gonna use salt. Oh yeah, so I got my all-purpose flour. Cover my wings. And my salt. Okay. Baby, did you preheat my oven? You forgot to preheat my oven. Okay, so when you're doing this, make sure you're preheating your oven to 350. Thank you for forgetting. Yep, and I got the strainer to swift it and make sure it's well shaken. That's it. Yeah, I hope. Or you can just do this if it's easier. And now what we do next, I have my pan here with tin foil because we don't have a parchment paper, so I'm going to be using tin foil and a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick to the tin foil, or they don't stick to the tin foil. You improvise, use what you have. That's probably too much. There you go. So you're only going to be baking them for 25 minutes. That might be too much. That's it. Yeah, 25 minutes.
That sounds right.
Huh? Yeah, 25 minutes. So, and always remember to clean as you go. Make your work easier. Baby, that was for you.
I did that, right?
Clean as you go. Yeah guys, it's that simple, and I'll show you when it's done what you do next. You can choose whatever flavor you want when they're all done, but for me I'm just gonna use salt and pepper. Baby, do you want barbecue, or you don't even want chicken wings?
I can put the barbecue on after.
Alright, so yeah, we can put barbecue and salt and pepper, or whatever you prefer, whatever flavor you prefer. That's up to you. And yeah, that's it guys. So let's just wait for the oven to preheat and we'll show you when it's done. Yeah. Pop them in, a timer for 25 minutes. And yeah, we wait.
She lied to you, it's 26.
It's a bonus. Look at what we do when we're waiting. Making nachos.
Making some...
Second plate of nacho today.
No, that is not true. That's a lie.
This guy cannot go a day without nachos.
It is my daily nacho plate, but not second.
Ah, are you sure?
I'm sure.
What did you have for lunch?
What did we have? Oh.
I wasn't here for lunch.
Well, I didn't eat till you got here. Well, I had like a fruit cup. I had a fruit cup. That doesn't count.
I don't believe you.
That doesn't count.
I don't believe
That
you.
does not count as food. Fruit doesn't count.
Where does your food go, baby? You eat so much.
Goes out the rear.
You eat so much, but you're not even that big.
I don't know. That big. Thanks.
I mean, you're not big. Well, you're not as smart as me, so you are.
No.
You are a little bigger than me.
I'm a chunky.
But you should be bigger than this, considering the amount of food that you eat. Ooh-wee.
I have a good metabolism.
Ooh-wee.
I have a theory that, so when I was 18,
Mm-hmm.
like 17, 18, I was working out every single day with my dad.
Mm-hmm.
And then going to school and falling asleep in school. And I think,
Falling asleep.
yeah, I think that working out every day when I was young made a good foundation for
Oh, you are working out every day?
Yeah.
How old were you by then?
18.
18?
18. And I was
18
like
to what?
175 pounds.
18 to what age?
It was 17, 18.
Oh, okay.
But I was active. I was an active kid before that. But like specifically working out.
What happened?
I discovered marijuana. I went from 175 to 180 pounds, and then I started smoking weed every single day, eating like $5 of food, and so like when I was hungry, I would just be like, I could go get food or I could just smoke another bowl. So I would just smoke another bowl. So I ended up losing like 50 pounds.
Wow.
I was like 130.
So now that you stopped smoking and doing all that,
Yep.
you went back to eating routine.
Went back to I did happy medium, probably 150, 160, somewhere in there, probably closer to 160. We don't have a weight scale. So. Yeah.
Well, I'd rather have you eat than smoke.
Well, that's good because I like eating.
You don't like eating. You love eating.
Yeah.
Wow, did you wash that plate?
Yeah.
Rinsing.
Well, it's just cheese.
Rinsing is washing.
It's just cheese.
Oh.
It's just fermented cow milk. With hot water.
Wow. That's hand soap. Ay, 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 baby.
It's clean. You could lick off of it.
We went from not washing, from rinsing to washing with hand soap. Oh my God. Oh my good Lord. Yeah. Woohoo. Looks good. So guys, that's how they look like. And we ended up cooking them for 40 minutes instead of 25 minutes. So we lied the first time. Or I did lie. So yeah, so that's how they look. You can add whatever seasoning you want. Right? And I'm gonna have mine is with salt and pepper. Ah. This is the best chicken wing I've ever had. You know, it's organic chicken, by the way. Organic chicken. And it's so good. But so hot. I'll try it, baby. So good, huh?
Delicious. Delicious.
Ooh, it does not need any seasoning. This is perfect. Perfect. Good job. My baby is gonna have barbecue. Yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you have a blessed weekend. I'm so tired. Yeah, have a blessed weekend.
Take care.
Bye.